Hi, my first grade friends. Today I'm joining you from the inside of a space capsule. Ooh, how fun, right? So before we left for break, you were instructed to design a space capsule. Now you get to create it. We always have the design process, right? We come up with, we imagine, we create, we imagine, we plan, and then we create. And so just as a review, a space capsule is the part of the spaceship that contains the instruments or crew. So this is the part that you are going to create. Gravity is a force which tries to pull two objects toward each other. My screen is weird because like, woo. The more mass an object has, the stronger its gravitational pull. Drag is a force that is opposite to the object's motion. Drag slows the motion of an object down. So, is this backwards? I can't tell. You want to create a space capsule that will create the most drag because you want to keep your astronauts safe. And if you create enough drag, then the astronauts will land safely. I included a video of the Apollo 13 space capsule landing at about 5 minutes. That's where you can watch the space capsule splashing down, and so you can kind of see what that looks like. So you are going to help prepare for the safe return of Apollo 13. Part of your job involves designing the space capsule that the astronauts will return to Earth in. You should have already done that. If not, that's fine. You can go ahead and do that. In order to create your space capsule, you may use any of the materials that I am going to tell you, and then I will also post a link to, or an assignment or whatever. As you create your space capsule, you must design it to slow down quickly. If you were to just have the space capsule fall with all of gravity's force, it would not end well for the astronauts inside. A space capsule traveling too fast will crash into the Earth's surface and be destroyed. Your space capsule must also be similar in shape to a cone without the point on top. So if you look at this space capsule, if it had had a point, that's kind of like a cone, okay? And you can use whatever material you would like for that, paper or tinfoil, or, well, I'll give you the list of supplies here in a minute. This is going to be an individual project, not like most of our projects. Most of our projects are group projects, but since we have to be at a distance, you get to do it all on your own, and you get to keep it, so there's no fighting over who gets to keep it. The materials you can use will be plastic bags, like the grocery shopping bags, or coffee filters, tinfoil, tape, scissors, and string. If you have a timer, that would be fabulous. I know that we started with the lunar landers. You were to drop the lunar, we dropped the lunar lander from 4 feet, and if it survived that and landed flatly, then we dropped it from 6 feet and then 8 feet. For the space capsule, we will just be dropping it from the same height each time. If you have a parent that can help you out with measuring 4 feet, and drop it from 4 feet, and then time each time that you drop it from the place that you drop it from till it hits the ground, you want it to be the slowest time possible. So I will also include a worksheet that you can do if you want. If you don't want, that's fine too. But you can test it 5 times, and each time, hopefully you improve it, because that's the engineering design process, right? We create, we test it, we improve it, we test it, we improve it, we test it, we improve it, and test it. And then we share our results. So this is something you can work on for the whole week. This is something you can take 2 or 3 weeks, just and have fun with it. And I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I'll put all of the instructions on my Schoology page, and I'll post the supplies there, as well as the timer paper. And again, you don't have to do that, but if you want to, it would be super fun. You want to make sure to increase drag. The more drag there is, the slower the space capsule will be, and the safer your astronauts will be, because we want them to have a nice soft landing. All right. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.